Do you want to make your brand or channel stand out with an animated logo? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple and professional logo animation in CapCut Mobile. Let's now get started! Step number 1 is to open CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. You can select the background video, a solid color image, or a simple photo to serve as your backdrop for your logo animation. Tap Add to import it. Once it's on the timeline, tap Overlay and select Add Overlay. Choose your logo image from your gallery and tap Add. Pinch with 2 fingers to resize the logo and drag it to your preferred position on the screen. With the logo overlay selected, tap Animation. You will see 3 categories: In, Out, and Loop. Choose an In animation to introduce your logo. You can also add loop animation to keep it moving while it's on the screen, and an out animation for smooth exit. You can adjust the animation duration if option is available. Press the play button to preview your logo animation. And there you have it! That's how you make logo animation in CapCut Mobile. Bring your brand to life, one animation at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless!